A warm welcome to everyone. I am Snehaaigali, currently pursuing my computer science and engineering degree at Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bangalore. Currently, I am studying in second semester. Well, today I am up with yet another interesting subject, that is chemistry. Today, let me discuss with you guys about electrode systems from electrochemistry. The concepts which we are going to deal in this session are the galvanic cell, the calomel electrode, glass electrode, and the last topic is electrolyte concentration cell. First, let us see about the galvanic cell. What is galvanic cell? This is one of the device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Now here we have the construction of galvanic cell. It includes anode, cathode. At anode, we have zinc electrode. At cathode, we have copper electrode. The zinc electrode is immersed inside zinc sulfate solution and the copper electrode is immersed inside copper sulfate solution. These two electrodes are internally connected to an salt bridge and are externally connected to an ammeter or an external circuit. Now next up, we have the working of galvanic cell. At anode, oxidation takes place. That is, zinc gets converted into Zn2+, liberating 2 electrons. At cathode, reduction takes place. That is, Cu2+, gaining 2 electrons, becomes Cu. The net cell reaction would be Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. Then next up, we have the cell representation. Cell representation will be, first comes the anode, then anode electrolyte, then comes cathode electrolyte and cathode. Since at anode we have zinc, first will be zinc, then the anode electrolyte is zinc sulfate, so ZnSO4. Then comes the cathode electrolyte, that is CuSO4, then cathode, that is copper, Cu. Now next up we have calomel electrode. Before going through the construction and working of calomel electrode, let us understand what is calomel electrode, some of its applications, and what are its advantages. So calomel electrode is a metal-metal salt ion electrode. It is a reversible electrode. Now next, what are the applications of calomel electrode? Calomel electrode is used in all potentiometric devices. It is used in secondary reference electrode in measurement of single electrode potential. Now, what are the advantages of calomel electrode? Since calomel electrode is simple, it is easy to construct, it is used in corrosion studies, it works even in the presence of oxidizing agents. Now next, here we have the construction of calomel electrode. The calomel electrode consists of two tubes. First, the inner tube and the outer tube. The inner tube, at the bottom of the inner tube, we have paste of Hg, that is mercury. Above that, we have mixture of Hg or HgCl, that is mercurous chloride paste. Within the inner tube, we have a platinum wire, which is used for external connections. The inner tube is immersed inside the outer tube. The outer tube is filled with saturated KCl, or we can even say known amount of or known concentration of potassium chloride. Now next up, let us go through the working or reactions that takes place in the calomel electrode. At anode, 2Hg plus 2Cl, that is mercury and chloride, combines to give mercurous chloride, liberating 2 electrons. At cathode, mercurous chloride along with 2 electrons gives Hg plus Cl. The net cell reaction is reversible. As I mentioned previously, that it is a reversible electrode, that is 2Hg plus 2Cl gives Hg2Cl2, which can even be reversed. Now next up is the glass electrode. Glass electrode is an ion selective electrode based on glass membrane and potential developed due to ion exchange reaction on the membrane surface. Now here I use the term ion selective electrode. So what is ion selective electrode? It is one which selectively responds to specific ion in the solution. Now let us see the construction of glass electrode. So yeah, glass electrode consists of a glass bulb. It is made up of a special type of glass bulb which has low melting point and high boiling point. Glass bulb is filled with 0.1 m of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. It consists of silver or silver chloride electrode which acts as an internal reference electrode. This glass bulb is immersed inside a container containing concentrated H plus ions. Now, let us go through the last topic, that is concentration cell. What is concentration cell? These are the electrode chemical cells in which electrode and electrolyte are made up of same material, whereas the concentrations are different or their concentration varies. The concentration cells are of two types, namely the electrolyte concentration cell and the electrode concentration cell. From this, let us study about the electrolyte concentration cell. Here we have the construction of electrolyte concentration cell. In that we have an anode and cathode which is made up of same material, that is zinc. These two electrodes, that is anode and cathode, are immersed inside zinc sulfate solution of 0.01 m. These are internally connected to a salt bridge and are externally connected to an voltmeter or even to an external circuit. These are the electrochemical cells where electrode and electrolyte are made up of same material, whereas the concentration of electrolyte will be different. Now here we have the reaction, that is at anode, oxidation takes place in which zinc becomes Zn2 plus liberating 2 electrons. At cathode, reduction takes place, that is the same zinc. Zinc 2 plus gaining 2 electrons gives zinc. The net cell reaction would be Zn2 plus gives Zn2 plus, because at anode and cathode we have the same material, that is zinc. The cell representation would be Zn, ZnSO4, ZnSO4 and Zn, because both anode and cathode and anode electrolyte and cathode electrolyte are of same material. Well, this was all about electrode system from electrochemistry. Thank you so much for watching.